If you have a passion, leave it all on the floor.
Are you a dancer?
I used to be.
Me too, till I had my baby.
Oh my God, you bring your baby to school with you?
Hell yeah. You can't just be leaving your kid with anybody. Mommy loves you, Pumpkin.
She's got the talent.
Do you really want to go to Juilliard?
Yeah.
Well, then it's on you to make your dream come true. Oh, black girls. So what you're gonna want to do is make that left, go up 3 blocks. I don't know you.
He's got the drive.
Hip-hop is aggressive. I'm gonna invade your space, and then you invade mine back.
What's wrong with you? You just gonna invade my space?
From the Wayans brothers.
If you're gonna win this year's dance battle, you need to step it up.
Let's warm up. Let's do this.
It takes 2
I don't think I could do this.
Do the routine from the club and you'll be great.
Okay.
I mean that club.
to become #1.
You like Thomas.
I love his big, fat.
Hey, that is my brother.
What? I was just gonna say butt.
Oh, well, you should see his.
Dance flick, directed by Damien Dante Wayans.